Deforestation refers to the decrease in forest areas across the world that are lost for other uses such as agricultural croplands, urbanization, or mining activities, greatly accelerated by human activities since 1960. Deforestation has been negatively affecting natural ecosystems, biodiversity, and the climate. The UN's Food and Agriculture Organization estimates the annual rate of deforestation to be around 1.3 million square kilometers per decade. In short, full or large-scale removal of a forest.
Based on my research, drastic forest degradation can cause deforestation. Forest degradation is when a vast area or amount of trees is permanently removed. When this happens, there can be a massive loss in biodiversity, which may lead to other species going extinct. We can prevent forest degradation and deforestation from happening by planting trees as much as we can, and also not to consume too much paper because paper comes from trees. So, what causes deforestation? Here are the roots or causes why deforestation exists. 1. Mining. Mining can also cause deforestation. Large-scale mining operations and open-pit mining can lead to severe deforestation. Because when mining, others need to remove trees for them to be safe. Open-pit mining is mining with an open roof, which means there are times that they need to remove the trees on the place where they'll be mining. Removing the trees entirely can be dangerous, or it can harm our ecosystem. Planting trees can be a solution to deforestation.
Other than that, the main cause of deforestation is because of human infrastructures. The lands may be used for agriculture, transportation, or buildings. And lastly, urbanization. According to humatter.com, the rising population leads people to move to urban places. As cities get big and population rises, it is expected by 2050 as of 68% of the world's population will live in cities or urban places.
The Philippines used to have bodies of water, land and air that is pollution-free. We used to have varieties of animals that live in the virgin forest, but sadly, these forests are slowly decreasing. Deforestation is so rampant in our country like in Baguio City, where they cut pine trees to give way to SM construction buildings. Protests were made, but the government still chose the economic growth. The second reason is one extreme. Wood furnitures have greater demands due to its durability, but some wood suppliers opt to illegal logging to meet the demand. Without replacing them, which caused the deforestation. The third reason is infrastructure expansion. This gives way to road building and to the other infrastructure that is related to urbanization. Although the need for natural resources and urbanization are important, we shouldn't forget the importance of our trees. Trees prevent flood. What happened recently in Cagayan is the cause of deforestation. If this one is there will be massive destruction and many lives will be taken away. Urbanization is not wrong. With proper planning, everybody has to work hand in hand to give in to urbanization without compromising our forests by replacing trees and natural resources.
The loss of trees and other vegetation can cause climate change, desertification, soil erosion, fewer crops and flooding, increased greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, and a host of problems for indigenous people. Deforestation occurs for a number of reasons, including farming, with 80% of deforestation resulting from extensive cattle ranching and logging for materials and development. It has been happening for thousands of years, arguably since man began converting from hunter or gatherer to agricultural-based societies, and required larger unobstructed tracts of land to accommodate cattle, crops, and housing. It was only after the onset of the modern era that it became an epidemic.
Prevent our ways we can help the environment. We can prevent deforestation by planting trees, recycling, and using less paper. Planting trees is the most straightforward way to fight against deforestation and also helping to combat global warming, because trees can absorb carbon dioxide, which is one of the main causes of global warming. By recycling and using less paper, we are helping to prevent people from cutting millions of trees, which can help fight against deforestation. We should also report illegal logging because this is one of the greatest causes of deforestation.